Hey everyone, this is Vicky, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Leknes Ultrasonic Aroma Diffuser. It came in a pack of 2, and I have one displayed right now, but I'll show you how it works as best I can. It comes with a little measuring cup here from 20 milliliters to 100 milliliter, and I already put water inside of the container here. So there's already water in here. It has the control for your lighting and the mist right on this compartment. This is the lid for it. And I picked up some frankincense oil from Amazon.com. Both of these products are from Amazon.com. So what I'm going to do now, this is the lid that goes on top of here, and then this will go on top of here. I'll show you that. You see there's nothing special about the inside. It's just plastic. All right, let me go ahead and put some of the frankincense oil in. Just going to put in a few drops. I've never tried frankincense oil before, so this will be my first time. But it was recommended by a doctor on the internet, so I'm going to use that. Put in about 3 to 4 drops. It has an earthy type of smell. I think I'll be able to tolerate that better than the one I was using. Let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on and retwist it. Let me just hold it up some. I can see it twist, and then it'll lock in like that. It has a plug. You're going to plug this into compartment on the bottom. I don't want to tip it over right now, but it's on the bottom, right under there. All right, have everything plugged in. This is going to control your mist. So you just push it in. You can see it already starting to come out. I'm not going to get close like I did the last time. Last time one of the essential oils kind of made me a little. I didn't like the smell of one of them, but I'm going to turn off the mist. I believe it also has a timer. I haven't worked with the timing of it yet, so I'm just going to turn it completely off. But it already smells. It already smells real nice. Very, very earthy. It smells like you're walking through the woods. So if you like that type of woodsy smell, pick up the frankincense oil. All right, frankincense. Get it from Plant Therapy. Frankincense Serrata. I believe that's what it is. Frankincense Serrata. That really does smell good. I think I'm going to like that fragrance a lot. All right, let me show you the lighting of this. I'm going to turn the lights out here, and then I'll play with the lighting here. I'm trying to see the best way to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and hit the light. That's one stage there. And, let me see if I can, I got to try to figure out the best way to do this. Okay. All right, then it shuts off like that. So it cycles through all the different colors. And if you just want to put it on the first one, just push it in one time. It'll take you through all of the colors at once. Now, I picked this up on Amazon.com for, I believe this was $9.99. And it came with 2 of them. 2 of these. And the price has since jumped up from maybe 2 weeks ago. The prices, I saw them for like $25 something for 2-pack. But I did pick it up for $9.99, so you can look and see. It hasn't been a bad product. And what I have done, I have just used it as a nightlight. No water in there, just clean it out and just use it as a nightlight. It's perfect for a kid's room who may like some lighting. I've used it on my desk in the middle of the night, and you can imagine 2 of them right beside, well, on opposite sides of each other. It'll give out some pretty good light, especially if you just want to sit, meditate, and just be quiet. This is something that you can do. I'm going to turn the mist back on so you can see what the mist coming out. All right, so you can see the mist. Again, this is the Leknes Ultrasonic Aroma Diffuser. Okay, I just wanted to show you that right there. Turn turn that mist off. So well, I'm going to run this for about 15 minutes in the house, but I still have the window open. I have my window open, and this is a new scent. I want to get used to it. So I want to just keep the window open and just make sure, you know, I get some fresh air too at the same time. I don't like feeling closed in using different type of essential oils. And I don't run them a long time. Some people run them all night, 12 hours, 8 hours. I do mine 15 minutes and then I turn it off. And then I'll have other different essential oil hacks that I have done. I'll show a video of that, of some of the hacks I have done in my house using stick-ups and using other type of air fresheners that you put in your house. What I have done with those, I'll create a video for that so that you can see there's other ways to get aroma, so you don't have to have this type of, you know, mist coming out. And if you have kids, you want to be careful when you have children what type of essential oils that you use. Be sure that you know what type of oils to use. All right, there's some oils that are not good for kids to be around and for your pets, so you have to keep those things in mind. Lavender is a good oil for children. It's using a lot of products. It's using a lot of adult products and baby products, but you still need to just be careful and just be sure. And I'll put a link at the bottom so that you can educate yourself. And I'll put one to my Facebook page also, one that I created for essential oils. So because I have articles on there, go and familiarize yourself with some of the articles so that you'll know what's the best product for the essential oils for pets and for children, and you can try them out like that. Now, I don't have any children in the house right now, but I'll be watching a child tomorrow all day, maybe about 8-9 hours. So I won't use essential oils at all. I just won't do it because, first of all, it's not my child, and I don't feel safe doing that. And the house will be aired out, and I'll make sure it's aired out because I'm real careful around children. I don't want to have anything around kids, especially when they're not my children. So that's all I wanted to show you today and just give you a little bit of that information. So check out the Facebook page. And if you want to pick up this product, I'll include a link to this product from Amazon.com, a Leknes Ultrasonic Aroma Diffuser 2-pack, and also Plant Therapy has a good selection of different oils. Let me turn the kitchen light back on. Plant Therapy has a good selection of oils if you want to check some of those out. And I also, let me add this too. I do have a Amazon influencer page where I have a section called Aromatize Me. So you can go in there and check out a lot more different aroma diffusers. You can go check those out and some of the oils that are available on there. There's one that's on there that's called a baby, I think it's like a baby scent, baby fresh scent. It has received a lot of good reviews. I haven't checked it out yet, but I'm going to go ahead and purchase that. So far, I have the frankincense oil, clove bud. I've used this. This one right here is, I don't know about it. I put it in different hacks that I have created. I've created different hacks for essential oils, but I would prefer to stick with something that has a more name for essential oils. Mainstays, I'm not so sure about. And this one kind of like gives me a headache. When I first used it, I kind of had a headache. So I was like, I don't want to use something like that. So I found something else to do. I'll show you the hacks that I created using this. And it's it's pretty strong, but it's still a nice scent. It has like a coriander and a cedarwood. That's what the bottle says. Coriander and cedarwood smell to it. So if you like those type of smells, then you will probably like that. Now, Mainstay, you can pick that up for $5. This came from Walmart, and this one, Plant Therapy, was $9.99 from Amazon.com. I'll create a link. I'll leave a link in the description for you. Well, you can pick this up from Walmart. I'll just leave a link to Walmart and this one to Amazon. And I am an Amazon influencer, so if you purchase any products off of my page from Amazon, I will receive a commission from that, and I greatly appreciate you doing that. So thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, have a wonderful day and be blessed.